Yeah, this is second video. My first one, apparently my memory card was full and it completely cut me off. So I'm going to continue on with what I wanted to show you, and that is the after you turn the software on, you get to this screen. There's a take your cursor, you hit the reset button. Okay. Right now it's in emergency mode, so you deactivate that, reset it, and then right now you'll see the each one of the axes are pulled off their limit switches. This is the way we was told to shut the machine down. This way you don't got your limit switches. Those are the things that typically will fail if you shut the machine down on them. So you pull them off of it, and I'll show you how to do that. Well, one thing I'll show you is this button right here. It says reference home. This will show you the machine referencing home. There goes the X. Yeah. Y and Z. Another thing I wanted to show you is the manual speed control, the actual motor. Actually, when the machine's running, you actually can twist that and increase or decrease the speed. Like I was saying, the actual with the independent control, you can actually go to like the X drive and take it off of the limit switch and switch down to the Y drive. And then do the Z. Very smooth running machine. I've had it had a good friend of mine who's probably been machining for most of his life. Came over and take a peek at the machine, and he's always worked on footnote controls, and he was pretty impressed with everything is here that you would normally find on any machine, any drive. Of course, you get color, you get the graphics and all of that, but it does the same, will operate the same. There's all kinds of things to do up here. You got different wizards. I'll click on that. There's that. Pick wizard. Pick something out. I'll run it. Got all the information to show what tooling you want to put. Of course, I'm going to exit that, but that's a typical way to how you can upload a file, post code, and then start machining. Let me show you the motor. To show you the process of the it's in reset mode, that's why it won't turn on. Turn the reset off. Increase the motor speed, or decrease, increase it now. Very smooth. Something else I want to show you is how quick and simple it is to load and unload tooling. Here's a one of the quick switch 200 tooling, and all you do is put up to it. And as you put the tool up to it, it'll automatically lock it. You just take your tighten it, switches out, goes back in. So it's for doing complex multi-tooling operations. It's pretty simple to do, so you don't exactly have to have a tool changer to make this machine operate. No different. How the I was told how the whole operation would work is if you had a job that had multiple tools, the machine will get to that point within the program that you want to switch a tool, and it will shut down, giving you the opportunity to switch out the tooling. Then you go and hit cycle start on the software, and then it starts to do that next procedure with the new tooling. And then when it's done with that one, it shuts off, gives you the opportunity to change out the tooling for another one, and you hit cycle start, and it keeps resuming. So it's gives you all the benefits of having a full-blown milling machine with different tooling. It's not too hard to change, and that's pretty much about all I've got to say and to show you about the machine, except that it breaks my heart to get rid of it, but unfortunately we're in a position to where we have to move to a new location that isn't as big, and just the expense of moving it, and just kind of need to we're not going to use it, just sell it and kind of move on. But if you haven't got any questions, feel free to call the number, and I'll answer to the best of my knowledge. If not, I can put you in touch with Jordan from Absolute Machine. He knows all about the machine. Thank you, and good luck bidding.